What's funny? When you get something, you want to open it so bad, but you're waiting to do a video. I was sitting in the tub and I was like, hey, you got 2 boxes out there to open. Go open them. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, let's open some boxes. You guys, we're not going to open this one just yet. Most of you is getting a good idea of what it is, but I got a little package here from EK. Quite honestly, I don't remember exactly what all I ordered. I know I got a pump in here that I ordered as well. And I couldn't wait to open these things, man. It's like getting presents. You just want to open it, know what's in there. Well, I didn't remember what was in here, so even better, right? Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, pump and reservoir combo, which is, this EK. I like EK stuff, it's all good. This is a glass reservoir tube. I guess it's glass, maybe. No, it's plexi. We got some cables we need for the Fantex Etholux 2 to put all those fans in there that we're going to put in. I got 4 different connectors there. Got some air packet stuff. Gotta love that stuff. Got some cryo fluid. Yep, that way we can add to the distilled water. You always need to put this in your system. If not, you're going to get growth and this, that, and the other. Then I got something. Throw this out of the way. This out of the way too. Then I got some cryo fuel dye pack. It's supposed to have some colors in it, mixing charts, so you can mix up what you want. That way you don't have to buy a bunch of colors. You can buy this, mix up what you want, get the color you want. Simple, easy to do. So I know you guys were really interested in, you know, stuff I get in here, and figured I'd do a little bit unboxing. And the other one I just laid it all on the table and said, here it is. Well, let's do it a little different now. This is what you guys really want to see, I'm assuming. We're probably not going to put it together this video. I want to open it and check it out, make sure it's the colors that I ordered. As you know, my tower is black and gray. I like black and gray. Black and gray is great. I also like a little orange in my black and gray, but maybe we can add that with the cryo fuel, make orange fluid or something. So you guys are probably getting the gist of what this is so far. So we'll go ahead and reveal it. Yes, I got a Praxis wet bench. So this thing's supposed to be black and gray, and the shipping time on this thing, I get stuff from Germany. I guess it's Germany, Russia, whatever you want to call it. I order all the EK stuff, the Alpha Cool stuff, and dude, I can get it in like 2 or 3 days. This took a week to get, and it come from Ohio. I mean, what are they doing up there, you know? So let's see what we got. I haven't opened it. I've never seen, and I may be wrong, I've never seen one of these put together anywhere online. So we're going to do a video of putting it together and kind of take a look at what this stuff's made out of. I'm assuming it's metal from everything I've seen. Oh, check it out. Say hello to your water bench. So, looks to me like this is not metal. I thought it was metal. Maybe, I get it. I get it. See, it is metal. But it looks like the accent pieces are cut out of acrylic, which, hey, is fine with me. Rip headphone users with a rip off there. So that's pretty cool. Oh, great. Anybody for some Sour Patch Kids? I guess it is Halloween time, right? Why not get some candy with your water bench? So we'll put all these little pieces out of here. This thing, I don't know how hard it's put together, but there's that user manual, you know, things that most men don't use. Try not to rip your ears out over here with this plastic. It's really, really loud. Oh yeah. So there she is, guys. That's the main plate of it. We're gonna get this thing built here on camera. We'll put it together, that way we just kind of see. I'm just pulling parts out, just opening that nice present. You know how that goes. Like I said, I couldn't wait. I was really, really anxious to see what this is. I've wanted one of these things for a long time. Packages of standoffs, power switches and reset switch and all kinds of nice stuff in that little package there. Drive trays. Looks like some type of monitor mount. I may be incorrect, but that's what it looks like. That's pretty cool. There's where one of the rads is going to go right there. Told you I didn't have a problem with the extra 360 rad, so hey, we're going to make it work. So it goes deeper. Wow, this thing gets deep. There's like some more Plex pieces. No, these are the side panels. These are the metal pieces. There's another layer. That's interesting. I thought that was pretty much it. I guess I was wrong. There's a lot of stuff in this little old flat pack box. Some assembly required, right? Ah, the other plate. Cool. I think this is like the bottom plate where power supplies and drive cages and all that mounts to. Yeah, that's it. So, you guys were wondering, we got us a little thing to put together. I never had hands on with one of these and never had it in front of me, so I don't know how big this thing's really going to be. I don't know what size Plex tube reservoir tower to put on it. But what I'm going to do is, what I plan on doing, is the other pump and stuff I have for the Fantex is a remote location pump. I ordered this, which has interchangeable, tower reservoirs on it. I plan on taking that 400EX reservoir, I believe is the model number. Hang on. Here it is. The X3 400 res, and putting the pump on the bottom of it, and then taking the other pump I have that just has a top plate on it and mounting it on the Praxis and hiding the pump inside and just having the tube on the side, the reservoir on the side. That way it doesn't look so bad. So you guys, I figured you wanted to see a little unboxing, short video, just some things I ordered, kind of unrevealing what the little surprise was, since I know you guys are probably mad because I said wait till the end for a surprise, and there was no surprise except for a box sitting on the table. So I figured I'd shoot this the next day, kind of give you guys what it is. But the black and gray I think is going to look really good, especially since the tower is black and gray. Now the one I have at work is a solid black tower. It's actually two towers. It's the X9, Core X9 by Thermaltake. I have two of them, one stacked on top of the other one, but I use the top one for the computer. I also have the Thermaltake 900 tower, but it's in white. And I made a custom Plex back for it and took the motherboard tray out that was in there, and it kind of had a bunch of extra holes in it that didn't need for me. I'm going to get that thing out here real soon. I got to get it on the table, get it tore apart, cleaned up, put back together. And we may do a custom loop in it. All it has is a single 120 rad in it with, the AOI in it, which is, the way that thing's made, it's only got one little slot at the top you could put that thing. But I've seen somebody put a 360 rad AIO in the bottom and just vent it through the bottom, which is, to me, that keeps the heat in the tower unless you got some exhaust fans pulling it out or pushing air in, positive pressure, right guys? So I'm gonna cut this one. I just wanted to do a little unboxing of some stuff and make it simple. It just gives me a little more extra time to play with editing, getting you guys some good footage. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Stick around if you want to see it. Like, subscribe, and guys, put that little bell on there. That way you know when I put up another video. All right, thank y'all. See y'all in the next one.